leafy TV.
Fruits and vegetables, questions and answers. Questions about fruits. Name any two red color fruits. Apple and strawberry. Name any three fruits with one seed. Mango, plum and cherry. Name any three fruits with many seeds. Watermelon, papaya and jackfruit. Which is the national fruit of India? Mango. Which fruit is the king of fruits? Mango. Questions about vegetables. Name two root vegetables. Carrot and beetroot. Name two leafy vegetables. Spinach and cabbage. Which vegetable has crown on its head? Eggplant. Which of the vegetable is biggest in size? Pumpkin. Which vegetable is known as the king of vegetable? Potato. Thank you for watching Fifi Kids TV. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon.